Okay, welcome along to another MX5 Restorer update on the workshop. Today we've got the canoe hit MX5 put back together. We're putting back an accident damaged MX5. Nothing on my ramp, I'm washing cars, and Jim's not here on holiday working on his Supra. Right then, it's car park's still full. There's a lot of cars there. Tomorrow's handover day, so customers picking cars up, customers dropping cars off. A couple of cars here should have gone last week, overstayed. Hopefully that's going tomorrow, but yeah, there's quite a few cars in the car park. I'm cleaning at the moment, so this one had a seal and a few other bits and pieces, so that's just got to be cleaned. So I'm in the process of doing that. Let's go and see what everyone's up to. Only me!
Afternoon. Quick one.
Jim's not here today.
Make sure we're busy.
Right, Roy?
Yes, not too bad. The one I've been working on is not here, so I've been doing no work by the looks of it.
You're putting stuff together, aren't you?
We are, yeah.
So you put together the canoe MX5, didn't you?
I did, yes. Yeah.
Let's show everyone back home how that's all come out. Come out quite nice actually. So as you all know, this was hit by a canoe just there, and we replaced the rear quarter on it, which has all been done, painted.
Yeah, just finished
Looking good.
It's just waiting to wash and it's ready for the customer to take tomorrow. So it's all good.
Yeah, we did a couple of other bits, didn't we? We sprayed the boot lid.
Yeah,
rear number plate panel was damaged, so that's been sprayed, and some minor repairs on the seal at the front. Had a couple of little dents in there, and that's been sorted out. Oh, good. So, should we talk about this one?
Yeah. Just on a mission on this one actually. This was an accident damage one. Came in, the front near side corner being struck by a lorry. So it's damaged wing, damaged front bumper, headlight. So we've had replacement panels put on. Customer then had the door repaired. Customer had the door repaired, so that was painted. The rear bumper was also painted.
And rear quarter as
well.
well.
Rear quarter was painted. It came back. Unfortunately, it's one of those colours that
so
very badly.
We'll probably run through this with you. So titanium grey is a colour that fades badly. It goes like a milky colour. It will also go sort of like a little bit haze of red in it. So it was so bad a blend wouldn't have done you would have seen the blend. So we contacted the customer, and then he decided to paint the rest of the car really.
Yeah.
So we then painted the boot, quarter, door, and the wing. So the only thing that hasn't been painted on this car is the windscreen surround, which isn't too bad colour match wise, but then all the mirrors, door handles were painted to suit. So that's come out.
Basically had a full respray. So
pretty much near enough.
Yeah, just in the process of now obviously reassembling it. Me and Ash are cracking on with it. Hopefully by the end of play today it should all be back together. It'll probably go out.
Ash has come to say hello. Say hello to your fan base, Ash.
Fan base?
Yeah.
Fan base.
Where have you been?
Where have I been?
Yeah.
The bunker to get all the way over the road to get this one tiny plastic clip.
Oh, right. That's annoying, isn't it?
Yeah, it's looking like a stroll in a nice hot sunny day.
Yeah. It is nice out there. Alright. There's not much to what you do. Let's carry on with this. What are you doing on the floor down there, Roy?
I'm just having a break.
Are you?
Yeah. It's nice and cool on this.
Shall I leave you alone?
Yeah,
you got the fan over there, haven't you?
Cool. No, just finding bolt holes. So.
Okay. Alright. Jim, did you want to talk about your Supra at all? Jim's on holiday this week, so he's been getting his Supra ready. Do you want to?
This is how we do holidays at MX5 Restorer. We come back to work and work on our own.
Des, I don't know. If you want to tell people what you've been doing with this for the past, how many is it? 5 years?
No, I've had it for years. It's been off the road for at least that. It was a shell. No engine, no gearbox, no diff, no nothing. Just interior car.
Why did you choose to get this? Because you had a red one, didn't you?
I had a red one, and it was very rotten, very very rotten. And I always wanted an import shell. So I took
What's the difference?
Rear lights. It's got funny twiddly bits like folding mirrors.
So the usual thing, it's better spec.
And it's not rusty.
Right, I suppose that's the main thing, isn't it?
All the arches and underneath the mist are absolutely pristine. So I took everything out, put them into this, and built it up.
And then this week you've just been getting it prepped to get MOT, don't you?
It's MOT now, but I struggle with the DVLA to get it taxed, which will be fun.
Yeah, which is always dealing with the DVLA and either importing a car, taxing a car when you haven't got V5 books is always a painstaking procedure. But how long you got? 4 weeks?
Well, they say that, but they reckon quicker than that.
Okay. So in 4 weeks' time you might be back on the road again. Cool. Alright. Okay. That's not much to go through today. So thanks for watching. It's Friday today, so not sure when this video is going live. I'm going to have a good weekend. See you soon. Bye bye.